Okay, it's currently around 5 and I'm heading out again. And this is a short guide to how do you take this kind of lift, okay? So you just press the button first. Okay. And I think you can't open this door until the lift has reached your floor. It's very nice design. Okay, so at this point, then you can open this, and you need to pull open this, which is a spring, so it's kind of hard to pull. But okay, so this will close. Okay, so first floor is going to open over here. You kind of can't open it right now, but okay, look at the numbers. Okay, you can't really see it, I know, but yeah, just press 1. Okay, then it will go down. You can see the stairs as well. I'm not really sure what's going on there. I think they're like repainting it or something. Okay, so we have reached the first floor. Okay, see you in a bit.